everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a flip through of Birds colouring book. Unfortunately this does not have an artist on it, but here is the back cover and the front cover is the exact same. And I'm hoping in this book, because I've not flipped through the whole book, I'm hoping it's just a book full of birds, but who knows. I don't even know what to expect, to be honest, guys. So it looks like to me, yep, every single one of these is framed, which is beautiful because I love that. And I'm feeling like it's going to have all birds in it, so let's hope for the best. And the line art is all types, because I just had like a quick little flip and I just seen like thick line art, thin line art, so you get a bit of everything in this book. But this book is double-sided, so your alcohol markers won't be the best type of medium in this book, but if you do use alcohol markers you will sacrifice your other image on the other side. So if you're not bothered about the other image on the other side, use your alcohol markers. The paper, it's good, but I don't know if it'll be like water-based marker good. Maybe. And it is white. So we'll just go and have a little flip through. And some of the pages are more detailed than others. And this is like a travel size colouring book. So lovely to like just quick and easy colouring. I love that. If you guys would like me to do a colouring chat out of this book, comment down below. And if you would like me to do a buddy colour, comment down below or go on my Instagram and DM me. Tell me what page you would like me to do, buddy colour and all that fun stuff. So far guys, it looks like it's all birds, which is wonderful if you love birds. Just like myself, I love animals, so I don't really colour birds in them, so this will be a really fun book, so they test my limit. As you can tell, you have portraits and landscape pictures in this book, which I don't mind. I like the variety of this type of book. And a lot of it is Zen doodly, but I don't mind that. Oh, that's cute. I like that owl a lot. If you like owls, this book looks like the one for you. I've just seen owls and turkeys and robins, really. Oh my god, there's a penguin. If you guys know, penguins are one of like my top 5 favourite animals ever. My favourite bird animal anyway. So I'm happy about that. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's just my turtles pump. It can be a little bit annoying, I know. And I'm so sorry about that. I really do like this book. The images are absolutely stunning. I love that one. And yet you don't have to colour them all in realistically. You can colour them whatever colour you want. Have a bit of fun. I love this one. This one's actually really pretty. I love that some of them are thicker than others, like line art. I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that some of them are more busy than others. Oh, that's cute. Love that. And you have a lot of images for the size of the book. If you love birds, you'll love this book. And this is going to really take me out my comfort zone because I don't usually colour in birds. So I love this book so far. But let's see what colouring in the book's like. And the penguin one, it's got like a little baby with it. I love that. And the last page, oh that's beautiful, that page. It's so good for like Christmas or winter time. Love it. And there it's back again, and that was a flip through of Birds colouring book. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and follow my Facebook group page, all in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!